I can't believe it's really here. I love you so much, it makes my heart hurt. All I can say is that you've always been the one. You're the girl of my dreams.
Jay, it's so crazy that this day is finally here. Words can't even begin to describe my excitement. I am ready for the best day of our lives that will start the rest of our lives. See you at the altar, Mr. Aiden. I'm gonna be your wife.
Your eyes are the color of summer in the deep blue ocean. Your eyes are the color of summer in the deep blue ocean. Oh, 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 oh. Your eyes. Oh, 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 oh. Your eyes. Your eyes are the color of morning before the sunrise. Your eyes are the color of morning before the sunrise. Your eyes. Oh, 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 your eyes. And I hear your wind calling my name.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
I hear your wind calling me home. And though I've never seen you, I have known your eyes.
I'm pretty sure today that all of heaven is rejoicing right now when you, Jordan, and you, Caitlin, are coming together in a special moment. It's a wonderful thing to stand here in front of your friends and with the Lord as your witness, pledging your unwavering, undying, unending love for one another. Jordan, take Caitlin to be your wife. Caitlin, do you take Jordan to be your husband?
I do.
You may kiss your bride.
Your eyes are the color of summer in the deep blue ocean. Your eyes are the color of summer in the deep blue ocean. Oh, 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 oh. Your eyes.
I enjoyed watching you grow up, supporting you in all those horseback events and cheerleading events. Although, to be honest, I always brought a book to read because I was bored like crazy until you were on stage. And we went through the Indian princess thing, but after that trip we took to Italy with Courtney, you went from being called Indian princess to Principessa. And yes, in case you were wondering, now that you're married, you will still get those text messages saying, Buongiorno, Principessa. Because like it says on the Indian princess patch, father and daughter, friends always.
If we get married, have a family, I'd like to know you'd stay with me.
Stick it out through the thick and thin. Need our love like oxygen.
It's such
Make
a rare
it
thing to
through all
find
the
someone who
messages
truly loves every piece of you, and I'm gonna cry. And I know that he loves every piece of her, and you love everything about him. That's so special, and it's so rare. So I'm very happy you found each other.
What's mine is yours, and yours is mine. Mine is yours, yours is mine. Ooh, good things come to those who wait. Ooh, with With your love, don't hesitate. Ooh, go so close till there's no line.
You're off to great places. Today is your day. Your mountain is waiting, so get on your way.
Let's hear it for the bride and groom.
On that day you'll be a sight to see. The Lord saved the very best for me. He gave me courage and He made me strong, or just wild enough to take you.
Whether you're a believer of destiny or things that happen or happy things can happen by chance, there's no denying that these two are perfect for each other. This is their once-in-a-lifetime love, and though I've never thought anyone would be good enough to have my girl, I couldn't have picked a better guy to be in her shoes of her husband.
What's mine is yours and yours is mine. Mine is yours, yours is mine. Good things come to those who wait. Ooh, with your love, don't hesitate. Ooh, go so close till there's no line. What's mine is yours and yours is mine. Mine is yours, yours is mine.